Hi, my name is Jonas and I am from Danier Accounting. In this video, I will explain the new rules for converting your IBS into an APS. So the first thing I want to mention is the deadline. So the deadline used to be in April 2021, but that deadline is now postponed until October 15th, 2021, giving you 6 months extra to do the conversion. The second thing that has changed is that you no longer need an auditor to assist in the process making the conversion. In the past, you needed an audited statement to convert from IBS to APS. That's no longer required. And this brings me to the third point, which is a little related to the audit as well. So the reason why you don't need an auditor is because that we no longer look at the equity capital, but we look at the share capital. So in the past, you had to present a 40,000 equity capital in order to convert from IBS to APS. Now all you need to do is present that you have 40,000 in share capital. And the difference is that in the past, if you had had some deficits, for instance, you would have first to cover all the deficits and then pay an additional amount of money to reach the 40,000 Danish kroner. That was the requirement. Now, when you look at the share capital, you look at the money that you deposited when you incorporated IBS, and then you need to pay the difference up until the 40,000 Danish kroner share capital requirement. So for instance, if you had 1 kroner in share capital when you incorporated IBS, then now you need to deposit 39,999 kroner into the company bank account. So the next thing is that in order to make the conversion a reality, you first need to have what is called a general assembly. So the General Assembly is the meeting where the shareholders get together and make decisions. So it might sound a little funny if you're the only shareholder, but it is a formal requirement and therefore you need to do it in order to make the conversion. If you go to our website, danieraccounting.com, then in the blog section, we will make available for you a template you can download for the General Assembly. We call that a protocol. And there is like a requirement to what that protocol should contain. Use our template or you can make your own. It's up to you, of course. So after you've decided on the General Assembly to convert from IBS to APS, then you need to look at your Articles of Association. If you had a Danish lawyer, for instance, assist you with incorporating the IBS, then you probably at some point have an email with these original documents and you're going to need them. What you're looking for is the document that's named vedtægter in Danish. So you need to take this document, maybe copy the text if you have it in a PDF, paste it into a Word document, and then everywhere you see the name IBS after your company name, you need to change that to APS in the whole document. After you've prepared the General Assembly protocol and the new Articles of Association, then you are ready to submit the documents. You need to submit both documents on virk.dk, and the deadline for that is 2 weeks after the General Assembly. So it means that you have to make the protocol, write the date on the protocol when you made the decision, and then sign the protocol as well. After that date, you have 2 weeks to submit the documents to virk.dk. Thank you for watching the video about converting your IBS into an APS. I hope you found the video useful. If you have any questions related to the conversion, you're always welcome to reach out to us. You can email me directly on jonas@danieraccounting.com, and you're also very welcome to give me a call or send me a text on +45 26 27 7777. My name is Jonas. We are Danier Accounting. Thank you for watching.